First clap! Simple-simple lang. Galing sarado, bubukas yung kamay. Walang ini na maririnig kundi tawanan lamang. So, sobrang simple. Galing sarado, bubukas yung kamay. Bobo lang ang hindi makakagawa. Tsaka yung mga walang pakisama. Regaling nyo sa amin. Arena, patingin na kamay! Let's do this! Last go! Baho na! Sasaya pa rin kumungal! Para kasama namin yung mga mahal namin sa buhay. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Marami ng masamang tao sa paligid, sa mundo. Huwag na tayong dumagdag, magmahalan na lang tayo lahat. I love you guys. Sa drums, si Samus! Ako po si Piero! Sa gitara, idol namin lahat, si Jomal! At kayong lahat! Kayong lahat! Tayo po ang aming klase! Tayo ang aming klase!
That will blow your mind? Acer got more ways for you to win big tonight. And yes, we're drawing the winners before the night ends. First, Acer Swift Go.
Happy Acer Day! Ang ganda. Ano pwede kong tulog dito? Sabay niyo lang sa susunod na namin.
This is our sign to break the limits. Get ready for our next performer, for he is a record-breaking heartthrob hit maker. He literally used colors in his songs. Dilaw! Nawawala! Bughaw! And Kahel na Langit. All of these hits made him the Male Artist of the Year. And he is gaining millions of streams and listeners all around the world. Acer Fam, let's light it up for Maki!
po pala si Maki ang mahilig sa red flag. Sino ba dito mahilig sa red flag? Huwag kayong mapagpanggap. Ano ba? Alam ko once in your life na in love din kayo sa isang red flag. Tama ba? Pero alam niyo ang kailangan niyo? Green flag. Tama ba, Acer? Kasi ano to guys talaga, mahirap ma-realize pag hindi ka natututo. Pero guys, alam nyo, ako natuto na ako. Hindi na ako sa pula, doon na ako sa green. Hindi ka natututo. Pero guys, alam nyo, ako natuto na ako. Hindi na ako sa pula, doon na ako sa green. And then, alam nyo, pag nagmahal kayo ng todo, pag may ginawa siyang kakaiba, doon ka nagugulat. Alam mo yun eh. Alam mo yung isa-isa kang ginagawa niya pag nag-aaway kayo. Diba? Pero alam mo yung alam niyo yung hindi ko makakalimutan. Yung pinaramdam niya sa akin na madali akong kalimutan. Naramdaman niyo na ba yun? Oo. Diba? Lagi kong sinasabi sa mga kaibigan ko, sa sarili ko, how could someone na sinabing mahal ka, na ipaparamdam sa'yo na hindi ka kamahal-mahal na tao? Diba? So itong part na to, gusto kong namnamin niya yung lyrics. Okay na ba mo ha? Okay.
Ako may yakap sa akin sa likod.
Wala pa din? O di ba hindi ka na binalikan? hindi pala tungkol sa mic. Speaking of hindi na binalikan, meron kasi akong isa pang kanta na tanong. Gusto niyo ba marinig yung tanong na yan, eh, sir? It goes a little something like this. Ganito siya, guys.
Hello!
Pati ba naman ikaw? Ano naman? Hello, eto na. Dito na ako ulit. Hindi ko kayo iiwan eh, sir. Okay. Itong kantang to ay para sa mga taong naghintay sa wala. Hello? Okay. I love you too. Hindi ko malala. Ano bang sunod? Sorry. Naku, ito na. Ano bang paboritong kulay? Wala pa. Paboritong kulay niya. Ano ang paborito niyong kulay? Ano? Ako, dilaw. Sa inyo ba dilaw? Wait lang. Inom muna ng tubig. Okay. Inom muna ng tubig. Boy, are you ready? Let's go!
Limit looks like. Please welcome your host for Acer Day 2025, the ever sharp, always on, Robbie Domingo!
Thank you so much for that introduction. Wow, look at this crowd. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Acer fam all over the world. My gosh, thank you, Acer fam. Grabe yung energy dito sa Mall of Asia Arena. And you know what? Let's do a roll call, okay? I just want to find out, nasan ba yung mga popsters? Okay, how about the Bullets? Woo! So excited. Eto na. Eh, yung mga tambay sa bahay ni Kuya. And of course, how can you forget? We cannot forget them. 18 Sumigaw! Feels like that is what I love about this day. Lots of things are gonna be happening right here on the stage as we dish out, surprises. Song and Precious played by this awesome personality. Kaya naman, Acer fam, join me in welcoming the one and only SB!
Good evening, y'all!
Breaking a limit right here sa Acer Day 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, Acer fam, give it up for Estil! You don't fabulous, Estil.
Di ba? Akala mo naman talaga magpo-perform siya, sasayaw siya. Pero syempre, para sa ating Acer fam at sa mga tao dito, papasabog talaga tayo. di ba?
Maraming pasabog, ha? Atake!
Atake!
yung atake.
Sobrang atake!
Okay, before anything else, baka gusto mong batiin lahat ng mga nagmamansay, lalo-lalo yung mga Acer fam natin.
Hello, Acer fam! Hello sa ating mga 18! Sa mga pumunta na dito para sa PEG! At sa ating lahat, hello y'all! Love y'all!
Actually, kanina ko may iniisip, kung magkakaroon kami ng duo ni Esnir, alam mo, mamahalin tayo ng 18.
Ay!
Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Oh, ano pangalan mo?
S.
SB.
SB!
SB! Kami na to, ha? Sorry. Ito talaga ang legit SB.
Yes, SB.
And we love SB19.
We love you! I love you!
Grabe, ha? Tsaka, huwag ka masyadong dumikit. Naramdaman ko yung predator mo, ha? Ibang klase. Hindi, kasi atake yung outfit mo.
Predator expired yung atake natin ngayon, di ba?
No, but everyone, you have been breaking records, breaking the social media, breaking TV, especially with the recently concluded PBB collab. Grabe. Everyone is so busy. Pero bago tayo dumating sa katanungan na kung gaano ka-busy ngayon, kamusta yung journey so far, especially ng PDG?
Kaya nga po, sobrang pasabog siya. Sobrang nakaka-touch kasi ever since pinapangarap namin to as a family doon sa bahay. At hindi lang po kami family na pang TV lang. Kumbaga, real po talaga yung magiging pamilya po namin doon sa loob. At ito po yung nadala namin sa paglabas po. At we are so happy na the Acer family, pinakaunang brand na nag-trust sa amin. as a family. Kaya maraming salamat po, Acer. At yes, mas akala po namin dun kami nalimitahan. Pero with Acer, you can break the limits. Yeah!
Perfect! Thank you so much! Candidate number 1!
Yes.
Ginawa mong pageant itong Easter Day natin, no? You know, but everyone, I kid you not, everyone is so busy, especially in PDG, the Pamilya de Guzman. Gaano ka ka-busy ngayon and also, ano ba dapat namin pakakabakan sa'yo?
Aside sa ako yung next member ng SB19.
Teka lang. Sana mismo nagsabi, kailangan ng...
Ay, hindi pwede! Hindi pwede!
Paano ba atake? Oh,
Ganto! Ay, hindi pwede! Ay, nakakalimutan ko mo! Wala to!
wala na sa bakay ni Kuya.
Sobrang ano po, sobrang good type of busy po siya. And we are so blessed na sobrang naging busy po kami. At syempre, may mga new projects, new endorsements, at new family! Kagaya nitong Acer family. Kaya kanina pa ako sobra. But we are so grateful and blessed and thankful! Maraming salamat, Acer! You're the best!
I think that's one word to describe that night. Sobra at dapat sobrang mag-enjoy kayo, especially for collaborations that will happen tonight. Okay?
Ready na ako makita sila!
Ikaw, ready ka na?
Yes!
Tanong natin kung ready na Acer Fam.
Ready na ba kayo, Acer fam?
I think everyone is all set is here. Please do the honors of introducing kung sino nga ba ang una natin makikita ngayong gabi.
Speaking of family, of course, let me introduce you to our first part of the program. I will introduce you to the first part of the family, of course. She mothered. She is an icon. Siya ang mom ng nation. Ang Buena Sol Diva ng Antipolo, Clarice de Guzman!
Sabay na po ah, Fiona Sogas. Para sa mga iniwan sa ere. Para tayo magandang gawin po sa inyo lahat. Ang OA nyo! Magandang gawin po sa inyo lahat. Of course, thank you so much. Acer, now, you want more? Para naman po sa aking susunod na introduce. Ang napakaganda. Ang kakapal na sneer. The nation's darling, show me! Tom! Marina! Paano ko susundanin mo? Oh my gosh, ang dami na wasak! Marina! Thank you so much for loving me and for loving Pamilya de Guzman. Thank you and I love you, Acer! Grabe, sorry, ang ingay ko ba? Grabe, ang dami niyo. Pero ngayon, do you want more? Ito na, ang tinaguri ang academic rival ko daw. Ang best friend ni Will, RDL, Mr. Ralph De Leon.
Marina makes some noise! Your family, do you guys want more? Okay, so ipapakilala ko na ang CEO, ang Taylor Swift ng Pilipinas, si Bunso Charlie Fleming!
Hey there! What's up, Acer fam?
sa amin, sa PDG family at sa pamahal, of course. Well, I am so happy to introduce to you. Minsan, tinatawag ko siyang Joshua na disgrasya. Pero he's mostly known as the nation's son. Please give a warm welcome to Will Ashley!
At taas ng energy ko. Pasensya na po. Medyo laban, pero para sa inyo po itong kantang to. Sabayin niyo po, please. Grabe, una-una po sa lahat. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga nagpunta dito para suportahan ito Acer Day. And of course, I want to thank Acer family for having us here. Grabe, sobrang nag-enjoy po ako. And itong susunod, excited na ba kayo? Pinaka-pogi! Ang pasyonista na kaibigan ko, naming lahat sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Please welcome, Brent Malayo!
Wow! Happy Acer Day 2025 to everyone! Maraming pong salamat sa pag-iyaw niyo po para sa akin at para sa amin po lahat, PDG fam. Ito pong next performer natin. Mabait! Alam mo ba? Matulungin! Sige na, maganda. Let's welcome my duo for life, Mika Salamanca. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage, give it up for Mika Salamanca. Hello! Alright, grabe. Tawagin na natin siyempre ang PDG. Let's have Marie, Suvi, Ralph, Charlie, Will, and Brent right here on the stage. Again, palamakan po natin all the fans of PBB. They are here sa Acer Day 2025.
Grabe, ang daming tao!
Oh. Before anything else, while waiting up for the family, baka gusto mong bumati sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin ngayon.
Magandang gabi, Acer Fam!
Okay, no?
Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Hindi lang to! Mas matutuwa pa kayo mamaya! At hindi ko marinig! Isa ng Acer Jam! Ayan!
Yeah. Well, welcome to Acer Day 2025 again. We've got the family right here, or should I say, the extended family. Okay? I have to say, Ralph and Charlie, welcome to the growing family of syempre, of PDG. Pero is it okay if we position ourselves something like we got Shukla, we got Breka, we got Rawi, and Charis? It's still so fresh for me, di ba? Sino dito nanood at invested sa PBB Collab? Buong bayan talaga nakatutok sa Pinoy Big Brother. But hey, growing family ang PDG. Pero ang pinaka-importante ay you are now part of the Acer family. How does it feel, guys? Anyone could answer? Chewy.
I'm really grateful. First of all, hello, Boa Arena! Okay pa ba
Ang dami talaga dito. Sobra.
Pero Kuya Robbie, I would say I'm really grateful. I feel like I've already said this in the interview. This is the essence of collab for us. Parang itong pamilya na to, hindi lang po ito nabuo na joke-joke time lang.
Oh.
Totoo po at genuine na po namin relasyon sa loob ng bahay. So for us to endorse a brand that's very close to our heart po, we're really grateful po for Acer na kinuha po kaming pamilya de Guzman plus extended family.
Yes, very, very authentic yung family na, no? We got a lot of questions, syempre. We're gonna be having this chit-chat time with our extended PDG or the new faces of Acer. Pero, instead of doing like a question-answer type, why don't we do it a little bit different? Pageant style pero duo. Okay lang ba yun, Acer fam? Okay, let's have Shukla first right here.
Hello! Kaya to ni Mom.
Okay, kailangan may lakad ha. In 3,
Rarampa!
rarampa.
Play music!
Ano ba yan?
Ladies and gentlemen, Shukla!
Wala bang hiyawan dyan?
Wala ba yan?
May ganun talaga.
Yes,
Okay.
naman.
Now, Shukla, we are so happy that you guys are here. Pero how do you break a limit pagdating sa energy tsaka creativity on the stage? Mom?
How about you, Shubi? What can you say about that question?
I do believe that Shukla already has the quality of a winner. Wow, grabe mo talagang winner na yan. Kasi we just enjoy the moment. Being in front of you, everybody, is such a life-changing. Ang dami pong green na nakikita namin ngayon. Kung alam niyo, para po kayong mga ants. Sobra po kami grateful sa inyo. And as well as for energy, talagang bare minimum sa amin yan ni Mom. Okay talaga kami sa energy. Kaya
Yes.
wala kami kinakatakutan. We just,
Do our best and face our fear.
yes.
Because
What else?
that's life!
Alam mo yung ang dami namin in-expect na words from you.
Yeah, that's life because, you know naman na at the end of the day, I love Acer.
Ang maganda! Okay, I'm sure our Acer fam will love hearing those 2 letters na sinabi mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Clarice, gaano mo ba kamahal ang Acer?
Gano'n ko kamahal ang Acer? Sorry ha, pero OA!
Manalo, maraming salamat. Thank you. And
Sorry kung natapakan ko yung mga laptop niyo.
Huwag mo tatapakan ng laptop! Hindi ka inaano ng mga laptop!
Hindi ko tatapakan ng Acer, hindi ko tatapakan because I love Acer ng OA.
Yan, okay. Again, palapakan po natin, Shukla. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shukla.
thank you.
Makakabalik na kayo. Up next! Acer fam, bigakat. Duo number 2. Chares! Oh, okay, magkatamali ko. Paano ba to? Uy! Good evening, duo number 2.
Grabe! Akala ko kakanta ako.
Actually, lahat kami nag-expect, lahat sila nag-perform.
Ako din eh.
Oh.
Huwag mag-alala. Ako na. Thank you.
Wait lang, parang hindi bagay kay Stell yung green boots. Charis.
Mamaya, malay natin magkaroon ng kaibang collab mamaya, di ba? And guys, we are gonna be so excited for that. Pero syempre, to our Chares, how has the transition been? You know, may mga moments ba na na-shock kayo or you guys are ready to break the limits? Ooh, what an interesting question.
Honestly, we're very ready to break limits right now. Sorry. It's been crazy, honestly. From the BBB house until now, we have broken the limits of our expectations talaga. Like the expectation ng pagmamahal na na-receive namin sa inyo, grabe talaga. You have broke the limits sa mga puso namin at sa lahat-lahat po talaga. Kaya we would like to thank you guys talaga. Maraming salamat. At syempre maraming salamat sa Acer family for really accepting us and loving us. Ikaw, Asnir.
Sobrang ganda ng sinabi ni Charlie. Gusto ko na sabihin. Esnir, no pressure. Pero napakaganda nung sinabi ni Charlie. Are you guys ready to hear Esnir's answer? Esnir?
Asnir, yung mic mo off yata. On mo nga, on mo.
Ang nasabi ay nasabi na, hindi na magkakabalikan pa. Thank you!
There we go! Palakpakan po natin ang Charles! Thank you so much. Up next, why don't we call in the boys right here on the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Rawi! Teka lang, hindi pwedeng matapos yung lakad na yon. Siyempre, we got the king of the Caldero and the king of Caldag. Pwede ba? Gusto na ba bumalik ang Rawi tapos tapusin dito with the Caldag? Yes. Ulitin natin.
Magandang beat lang, para may gana naman yung pagdating namin.
May gandang beat. Okay, direct pause. And yes. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Once again, we got right here on Acer Day 2025, Rawi! Grabe, no? Yung Acer fam natin nanonood, nag-spike yung internet nila. Grabe yung na-consume na data, no? Well, Rawi, welcome sa Acer Day 2025.
Thank you, Kuya Robby.
Diyos ko po, sumakit yung likod ko.
Grabe kayo, Acer Fam. Napakaltag to si Kuya Robby.
Pahanda ng medic, ah. Parang naglato-lato, ah. Nakakatakot. Okay, bago ba punta yung usapan natin sa iba, we just want to congratulate, syempre, all of the members of PBB right now. But, Rawi, what's one personal barrier that you have recently broken this 2025?
Go, Ralph.
Nice pass. And then, syempre, for me, stage fright has always been such a big thing. Na palagi akong kinakabahan pag may mga mall show, pag may mga out of town kami na performance. And now, I'm here today sa MOA Arena na kumakanta in front of all of you guys. Parang sobrang big milestone na yun sa akin, Kuya Robby.
So, Brent, this is not just a ball show. This is really the year for Acer, Acer Day 2025. How about you?
Copy paste.
Back to you!
Hindi. Alam niyo naman, yung iba sa inyo siguro po na sobrang introvert ako before. Pero siguro yun yung isang na-break ko na ngayon. I mean, mas naging confident ako sa sarili ko and mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Kaya nandito po ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Nangihingi po ng tulong. Charot. Boto niyo po ang BBS Rawi. Joke lang.
Tapos na, pero we are so happy for you guys and we'll be seeing more of stuff coming from Rawi later. Palaba po natin, Rawi!
Thank you po.
Alright, yes, thank you. And up next, syempre, we have to call in the first ever big winner duo of a collab season. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Breako! Oh.
May back to back, may back to back.
Wait lang.
Oh!
Wait. Tara lang.
Alam niyo, bagay kayo.
best friend.
Mag-duo talaga. No, okay. Before we get to your question, gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo kanina. Yan ang duo ko for life.
Best friends for life. Pero,
Best friends for life.
Totoo ba yan?
Ito.
Totoong best friend. Well, saan naman nagsisimula talaga yan, di ba? Okay, kaya naman simulan na natin ang katanungan ngayon, Breka. As you know, two people known for your calm, powerful presence, how do you guys push yourself to go beyond what people expect from you or of you?
For me, it's always about taking that first step. Once you make that first step, it's boundless eh. You're limitless. Parang, as long as you keep on improving yourself and yung outside noise lang for me kasi yung mga expectations sa mga tao. So, as long as you go beyond that, it's the first step talaga all the time.
Galing-galing talaga nakasagot mo ba? Ang galing.
Di ba?
Ayos. How about you, Mika?
Ako, kuya, syempre, ako nag-focus sa expectation ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, ako importante sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao sa salamin pag bago ka matulog eh. Kung ano yung na-expect nun sa'yo.
And then you transcend from that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not about what people think.
Yeah.
It's about what you can do for yourself. I love that answer. And that is why you guys are big winners of this edition. Again, palakpakan po natin, Breka, right here on Easter Day 2025. Maraming salamat for answering all of these questions, no? Maybe one last question to wrap this thing up. Ano, kapag magkasama kasi ang pamilya de Guzman, lahat kami natutuwa talaga. But what's one thing that you could say na, uy, we really broke that limit right there? Anyone could answer.
I feel like the network war. I'm strong enough to say we broke that kasi as collaboration of both GMA and ABS, we did a family because of PBB. So feel ko yun po talaga yung nag-break namin.
That is so true. Esnir, you would love to answer.
Siyempre, yung mga mag-perform kami dito ay sila lang pala. Pero yung mga plato kami dito ay sa family sa Mall of Asia Arena! Oh, sobrang supportive naman.
Umiyak na naman!
Well, we got a lot of moments later on, no? Pero alam niyo, sobrang ang tagal ko nang gustong sabihin to. You guys, kahit nakalabas na kayo from the Big Brother house, naging parte naman kayo ng bawat tahanan ng bawat Pilipino. Kaya maraming salamat. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Ladies and gentlemen, being part of the Acer family, palakpakan po natin our ex-PBB Collab Housemates! We'll be seeing more of you guys later on. Thank you. Our PDG or extended PDG. Grabe talaga. I know some of you or most of you are on social media and the best thing about that is may nakita kayong collab.
Ready, aim, shoot! I am limitless! Once again, we're gonna introduce ourselves. Ready, aim, shoot! We are G22! Hello everyone! Ako po si Jazz!
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Althea.
And what's up, Acer fam? I'm AJ! Acer Day 2025, make some noise! Mas kaya nyo pa? Acer Day, make some noise! Another year for us, we are truly grateful. Another year of being limitless, papakapalaban, and breaking more and more limits.
Yes, we would like to thank you, Acer, so much for giving us a platform to perform here and also welcome sa mga bagong kasama namin sa pamilya ng Acer, ang PDG fam.
Grabe. Can't believe na this is our second year with Acer. And
palaki ng palaki yung pamilya namin. And I can't believe na sa first ever stage namin with Acer, talagang si Acer talaga ang nagsisimbolong ilaw natin during our darkest moments. So, salamat ulit, Acer. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And syempre, sa susunod namin awit. Sa susunod namin kanta, we wanna dedicate this, of course, to Acer. And Acer fam, for being there during our darkest moments, for being there, believing in us sa journey namin.
Actually, kaya si Acer, hindi namin alam kung saan naman makukuha yung confidence na magpatuloy. Kasi isa sila yung sa unang sumuporta sa amin kahit na anong nangyari sa amin dati.
Acer gave us a platform, all of us, they gave us a platform. So, maraming salamat, Acer, being in line with our advocacy and also inspiring us. We really appreciate you. Kaya kayo ang aming musika.
What's up, Filipino queens and kings?
Make your wish.
Once again, happy birthday, AJ! Happiest birthday, ladies and gentlemen, here at Acer Day 2025. Palapakan po natin our Filipina Queens. We got AJ, Althea, and Jess, G22! Thank you so much, our female alphas. We'll be seeing more of them later on. At kailangan handa kayo sa sorpresa ngayon. Maraming salamat. Once again, palapakan po natin, G22! Thank you so much, ladies. Where you at? She is definitely a global force in music with awards. Let me just run this down from Billboard, MTV, Mama, and in the world stage. From chart-topping hits to box office history, she is the Filipina trailblazer who's breaking limits with every performance. Acer fam, let's welcome on this stage the one and only pop star royalty, Sarah Geronimo! We've seen them break limits sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya and brought home the big winner duo title and now.
Love you, ate.
Love you, Stella.
Before we continue our performances, we'd like to introduce ourselves. Get in the zone! Magandang gabi po, ako po si Pablo. Magandang gabi po, ako si Josh.
Marina and Stel.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ako po si Ben.
I'm Justin, and we are SB19! Eh, sir pa, mag-isa naman kayo! Sorry pa! Parang wala kasi ang gusto na ako. What is up, Mama Marina? Mama Marina, make some noise! Marina, did you miss us? Oh, really? Did you miss us? We miss you guys too. Woo! Grabe. What a very warm welcome for us, guys. Galing lang namin ng tour and grabe yung surprise na para sa amin. We're very happy na makapag-perform ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Ba't ka nag-iintibid? Thank you so much, guys.
18! Namiss niyo ba kami? To be honest, sobrang namiss namin kayo. We've been in the US for 1 month. And we are really looking forward to, para makapag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy niyo lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama niyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat. We love you guys, for sure.
Yes. Nag-enjoy ba ang mga arena?
Siyempre, bago po ang lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo na nandito ngayon. Napakagaganda at gagwapo nitong lahat. Thank you for coming here tonight. And we are so glad to share the stage, syempre, with other amazing artists. Kaya naman, maraming salamat din po, especially kay Nina Laser, and for having this evening showcase, to showcase Filipino talents that always try to break the limits.
Siyempre po maraming salamat din ng Laser. Kaya lang sila ng Laser, walang Laser din. Okay ba yan? Kasi naman tayo ngayon. Siyempre gusto ko lang pasalamatan din ng team namin. One Entertainment! Yeah! And Coach Johnny, and siyempre W34.
And of course, maraming salamat din sa aming banda. Guys, palakpakan naman namin ang aming banda. Migs for playback, Joko on guitars, Paul on drums, Romel on bass, and for keyboards, at ang aming musical director, nag-iisang Direk Jen Florendo. Thank you so much.
And of course, ulitin ko po, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng 18 na nandito ngayon. Hope you enjoy the performance today. And again, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ng Acer. Maraming salamat po, Acer fan.
Get in the zone, we got the kings of P-pop, SB19! I missed you guys. I missed you. Grabe. Sabi na Grabe. And I kid you not, Acer Day won't be complete without SB19. I missed you so much. Grabe. Well, we are not yet done because SB19, the Kings of P-Pop, will have more performances later on. I love that energy. Remember that tonight is all about breaking limits, so keep your energy high and enjoy every second of Acer Day 2025. We got more groups and more of your favorite Acer brand ambassadors coming your way. And yes, much more awaited surprises. Kaya naman, tawagin na natin ang mga best personalities and icons on the stage. Let's have Brent, Mika, Shumi, Ralph, Will, Charlie, Esnir together with G22. Of course, we got SB19 and Miss Sara Geronimo. This is one moment you should not miss. If I were you, get your phones out, your cameras, take videos, take lots of photos, and use our official hashtags. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin all our artists for Acer Day 2025. Again, don't forget to use our hashtags Acer Break a Limit, Acer Day 2025. Let the world see what it's like to break a limit with Acer. And just when you thought we have seen it all, Acer is about to surprise us with something that proves how far Filipino talent can go when we break a limit. Acer fam, are you ready for more collaborations? Who's gonna be the next ones to break their limits? Let's take a look. Here we go. Acer Day 2025. Scream and shout for G22 and SB19.
I just have actually something big. Nakita ko lang yung iba na medyo nagsiselfone o medyo nakatuwa nga lang. Siyempre, ganito ba tayo mag-party sa Pilipinas? Gusto ko lang tonight mag-enjoy lahat. So pwede po bang sumabay kayo sa amin sumayaw, kumanta, at syempre mamaya patatayuin namin kayo. You'll know when. But for now, I want y'all to sing with me, okay?
On the stage, we got Will Charlie Esnir with SB19. Let's go. Continues as we continue to break limits right here at Acer Day 2025. SB19 and our PBBX housemates. Pasabog. Grabe, ang galing-galing
Grabe,
ninyo lahat.
SB19, this is such an incredible experience. Maraming salamat, Acer! SB19, thank you!
For this opportunity, I'm very happy you
Hindi ba kayakap din?
Well, this is the collab we have waited for a long time, but what an incredible ride it has been. Acer Day 2025 just made history right here at SM Mall of Asia Arena. Again, we say thank you to our housemates, to Brent, Mika, Shugen, Ralph, Will, Charlie, Esnir, and Clarice. Of course, G22, SB19, and Sara Geronimo. Palakpakan po natin sila lahat. Thank you so much for making Acer Day 2025 very memorable. But this night was all about a mission fulfilled, not just by Acer, but by everyone right here. Incredible fans, amazing performers, and our entire Acer fam. Whatever your dream is, believe in yourself, rise up, take control, and break a limit. go. This is it. Hey.
Take control, no matter what you do, you gotta ace your world, you gotta skeptical, you better step into the light to find your mind, let your spirit glow.
Now's the time for us to take control. No matter what you do, you gotta ace your world. You gotta skeptical, better step into the light to find your mind, let your spirit glow. Right up, no one's holding us down. Hold back 'cause we're gonna get higher. Shoot me till I need to be found. This is our time. Time it up if you hear the sound. Nothing you can do, we got the power. Do we die? Do we die? You're gonna get us back. We hit the road and find an music. Harder and harder, we're never losing. I'm trying to keep refusing. Know who I am, I don't need to prove it. Scared. Control no matter what you do. You gotta ace the road, forget it's just a game. Step into the light to find the light and let the spirit go. No one's holding us down. Hold on, 'cause we're gonna get higher. True peace to the need to be found. This is our time. Get you hear this sound. Nothing you can do, we got the power. Till we die, till we go.
Trace and prepare, yeah!
Don't jump, don't bother, don't let it go, don't take it. So papalakas ng papalakas, yeah, lahat na sinabi na gagawin ko maluyo. Di mo mo alam, ang tamis ay mawala, ang buhay ay masulat sa lapino.
No matter what you do, you better ace your work. You better ace your work. You better ace your work. You better ace your work.
Now's the time for us to take control. No matter what you do, you gotta ace the world. Got to go. We're gonna get higher. This is our time. Time is up, let me hear this sound. Nothing you can do, we got the power. So we die, so we die.
Acer fans, thank you so much for rising up with us and making history right here at Acer Day 2025. My gosh, from the powerful performances of our world-class Filipino artists, solo icons, exclusive P-pop acts, and legendary bands, to the all-star energy of our PBB collab editions, Pamilya de Guzman. Tonight was all about celebrating dreams and talent with our unstoppable spirit. And it is very aptly that we take a photo to remember this moment right here, right now, on the stage. We got the superstars of PBB G22, SB19, and Sara Geronimo. All right, on three, we say Acer Day. All right, Acer Day on three. 1, 2, 3. Acer Day! Breaking a limit this year with unforgettable collabs, great surprises, and awesome prizes.